Hello everyone, I am Durgesh Chaudhary. Today's topic name is uh, JDK, JVM and JRE. In Java, JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it is specially useful or which is used to uh, develop Android application or used to develop a software application. And JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. And JVM is JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM that can be used to execute Java programs. It can be is useful to execute the Java program. And JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. And JVM is a Java virtual machine. It is it is useful. It is useful. JVM engine is used to execute a Java program. Used to execute Java program or Java application. Uh, they are various components of JVM as are class loader file subsystem. First is a bootstrap class loader. Second one is extension class loader, and third one is application class loader. Bootstrap class loader is useful, which is used to uh, responsible for the responsible for to loading the Java program. Sorry, to loading a Java classes into the library directory. And extension class loader is useful is a class which is used to or responsible for the loading the classes in the extension directory. And application class loader, the application class loader is responsible for loading uh, the Java class loader, uh, the application class bar. Uh, the JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and it is responsible for uh, to developer, which is used to allow the developers to create application or debug and execute Java application or to develop a Java application. And JVM plays an important role in execution system. Hence, Java Virtual Machine play an important role in executions of Java programs or a code. And it is responsible for it is responsible for interpreting compiling and uh, debugging debugging a code and transmitting it into the machine code, machine specific code, or a machine instruction that can be executed by the computer processes. The Java also manage the memory allocation, uh, and the garbage collections, which has to prevent common memory related issue. JVM uh, JVM, it in simple words in simple word JVM can be responsible can be responsible convert to convert in simple Java code to convert machine code. Machine code is nothing but the machine level understanding language, and it is responsible for to understand that code to the machine. That is known as a machine level code. There are various components which is used in JVM will allocate a memory in a specific area. There are some areas which is used to allocate memory in Java program. First one is a method area. Second one is a heap area. Third one is a uh, and fourth one is PC register, and fifth one is native method stack. In JVM, the JVM has several different memory areas that are used to manage the execution memory that are used to manage a memory which can provide a specific area that is known as memory areas, which is used to manage the executions, or which is used to manage the execution of Java program. These memory areas are collecting known as Java memory areas. In JVM is a Java virtual machine which is responsible for to create or executing the Java application. And Java and JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment is used to run Java program or Java application on the system that can be supported on any operating system such as Windows, Linux, Macs, etc. And JDK is a extended subset of SDK. SDK is nothing but the software development kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and JDK is used to develop a Java application. And JVM Java Virtual Machines plays an important role in execution of Java programs. It is responsible for interpreting, compiling a code, and transmitting it into machine code or a machine instruction that can be executed by the computer computer processes. This is about JVM, GTK, and JRE. Thank you.